This one, there was a person that was in a window across the field, and I actually managed to hit him here. I then tried to change the angle because we had a lot of our team in that corner, so I tried coming around to get a better angle. Got shot right in the mouth. That paint does not taste good.
Ugh.
This is actually the next game, and I see a person moving from left to right and take a shot. I see him again right here, but I don't have a clear shot to shoot at him, so I start to retreat. However, he starts shooting at me, so I move a little faster.
I was watching back. Actually, I was waiting to see him trying to fire the gear. So we're getting close now. Yeah, the only thing bad about this is the drought that's comes to about 11 o'clock.
Where are you seeing him?
He's right to the, he's about 10 o'clock now. Yeah, he's moving.
Yeah.
He's moving. You see him?
Yeah.
At this point, he's actually started to advance on us, which we can see through the cracks in the bunker. We're just waiting for him to get close enough.
He's watching. What?
It's hard with the wind blowing.
Yeah. He surrendered when I had an empty mag. And we won. Good job. You got him down and I rushed him.
With an empty mag.